Hi guys, today I wanted to show you my holy grail beauty hacks that I actually love and actually use. They have made my life as a girl so much easier. By the way, if you enjoy these types of videos, give it a thumbs up, and if you don't, give it a thumbs down. And that just kind of shows me how you really feel about certain content. Subscribe to this channel if you like what you see, and let's get on into it. Okay ladies, or gentlemen, what could be worse than a heartbreak? When your damn nail that you've been growing for weeks decides to piece the F out. We'll say hello to your favorite beauty hack from now on, as it is for me. If you have a split nail, simply take a little piece of tissue, and I mean an little bit. You can even get half of that half. Apply a clear coat onto that, and then using a tweezer, apply that piece of tissue on top. This is going to act like a bond. You can then go about painting your nails normally, and I would actually finish it off with 2 top coats to secure it in place. Ta-da! This beauty hack works like magic. Okay, for this next one, I cannot believe that I've been doing this skincare mistake. It literally pains me now, so listen up. I tested this out on half of my face to see if it's true or if it was all in my head, and girl, do you see those little pimples on that left side of my face? When you typically apply toner, what do? You typically grab a cotton pad, right, and apply your toner that way. Well, wrong. Sister, stop doing that. Instead, do the simple beauty trick. Use your hands instead. Pour the toner directly onto your hands and use your palms to pressure the product deep into your skin. This for sure has been life-changing for me. I mean, heck, look at the right side of my face. It's proof. If your ears get irritated by wearing fake jewelry, I feel ya. I am about to sound so Hispanic up in here, because when you're Hispanic, this stuff cures everything, supposedly. That's what my grandma used to tell me. Use vapor rub, vaporu. Look, I can't even explain it, but I've never in my life been able to wear any earrings that aren't real, and now my ears don't get irritated or infected as they used to. So try it out and let me know if I have too brought you over to the dark side. If you want to make your foundation look smoother and less textured, shave your face. Yeah. I am so hyper right now at 3 a.m. Yep, you heard right. I tested this out in a Beauty Buster video and it's been life-changing. Oh my god.
I see my skin.
This process is actually called dermaplaning. It not only removes dead skin, but it also helps apply makeup easier and smoother. Skincare will penetrate better into your skin because there are no hair follicles on top. My fear with this was that my hair would grow back like a gorilla. But get this, Bella's hair, also known as peach fuzz, will not grow thicker, and I've been doing this once a month and my hair is still growing the same. It's super simple to do. If you're interested in learning more, check out my video, link down below. If you're struggling to blend your eyeshadow like a pro, or quite frankly, don't have the patience to, here's a life-changing hack I've learned from my makeup artist that did my makeup on my wedding day. For a seamless blend, try using a brush you would use to blend, let's say, your under eye concealer, or even a bigger portion of your face. The fluffier, the better, people. You'll notice this doesn't take much effort at all, and you can blend both eyes to perfection in under a minute. Yeah. To deepen the eye look, I actually used a smaller brush to apply it in my outer corner, and then the bigger brush again to seamlessly blend it all together. If you want to make it seem like your hair has just freshly been done, but of course not put in the effort to redoing it, the key is to guard it from any kind of friction. So start by investing in silk pillows, a silk ponytail, and a silk hair wrap. If you don't have one of those, you can always use any kind of silk material. Right here, I'm using my bathrobe, as you can see. In order to properly wrap your hair, pretend your head is one big roller and twist the hair around it like you were doing a beehive. I don't know. That's my only analogy I have. This will prevent the hair from getting frizzy, flat, or changing its texture throughout the night. Now, when you wake up the next day and remove it, you won't even notice it's second day hair. There you go, girl. Now, I've never shied away from the fact that I'm a hairy girl. I get it from my beautiful Latin father. Now, if you've been insecure about your nose, arm, and mustache hair, here's a beauty hack that is worth repeating. For nose hairs, try a trimming device like this one. It's easy to use and battery powered. I usually have to do this about once a month. For hairy arms, instead of shaving, try a bleach cream. I've done this several times in different videos, so I'll link one below worth your time to show you how to do it. For my mustache, I use this cream as well. And always remember, shaving is a choice. It's not mandatory. Instead of going to the nail salon and paying who knows how much for a design, and let's be honest, it'll take more time and effort for you to do it yourself, try nail stickers instead. These have been my favorite and so easy to apply. Now, I will say they don't last as long unless you apply a top coat on top. So I'm currently doing a giveaway on my Instagram. If you'd like to win these, be sure you're following me on there and go to this picture right here and comment on it, anything that you want. I'll pick a winner in 48 hours. Good luck. If your nails keep breaking and you can't seem to grow them out one bit, use nail hardeners that have garlic in it. Legit, the best nail hardener I've ever used to grow my nails. Now, my traditional Hispanic parents would never let me get fake nails, and I thank them now because now that I use this, I never have a problem growing them out. The only con is you do have to be consistent and apply it every single day, but other than that, it works wonders. Here's a quick no-fail updo that's easy for work or school, and you don't have to spend too much time on it. Use these hair donuts to help you create it. Now, put your hair up in a ponytail, put the donut through, then flip it like so. Honestly, the messier the better in my opinion, but you can also get a really sleek updo if your hair is straight and it looks flawless. And you can also spice it up with scrunchies or even a cute little hair tie like this. What you think? If your foundation is washing away your beauty marks, no worries. Instead of going in and ruining it with a Q-tip by trying to be precise, draw it back with an eyebrow pencil. Super simple and looks just as natural and beautiful, and you can show off those gorgeous beauty marks. If you're finding it tough to find the best nude lipstick for yourself, use your concealer. Yep, super strange, but this literally creates your perfect DIY nude lipstick customized for you. So start by adding a little lip balm for moisture, then add your concealer of choice. This works even better if blended with a beauty blender, I will say that, but you could also use a little brush. Then take a lip liner 2 shades darker, add some gloss if you'd like, and bam, your perfect nude has been born. Now tag me on Instagram if you try this one out. Sometimes you want to fake that minimal no makeup look, so get a mascara that is waxed based. Now this will give you that fluffy, fluttery look as opposed to a more defined one. So for instance, here's a mascara to show you the difference. This one isn't wax based and this one is. Comment below which one you prefer. If you enjoyed this video, give a huge thumbs up and comment below part 3 if you want to see more useful beauty hacks. Now, if you're bored and want to watch more fun stuff, check out these videos next. They will all be linked below. Subscribe if you like what you see, and head on over to my vlog channel for extra doses of content. If you need inspiration or motivation, check out my Instagram for more of that. And if you want some fun self-care worksheets to do right at home, click the link below to download these. They're all free. All right, you guys, I love you. Don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye.